Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a channel where we learn MS Excel from the very basics. We have started with the VLOOKUP formula, and in today's video also we'll continue with the VLOOKUP formula. How can we insert it? What are the things which we need to keep in mind while using the VLOOKUP formula, and so on. So we'll directly go into the MS Excel and see what furthermore we can learn in the VLOOKUP formula. We'll see the following case scenario, and the VLOOKUP formula would be more familiar to you, and you would be able to use the VLOOKUP formula whenever you work in an MS Excel. Here the case scenario is such that assume that you are having a supermart, or you are working in a supermart or any general store or any organization, and assume that this is the customer sales data for the following day. These are the data which is automatically picked by the software and it comes to you. It tells that the following customer has purchased the following product assuming so many quantities, and the price and amount should be entered by you at the end of the day. So now here the price list for the particular product is mentioned in another Excel worksheet, and it specifies the price for the particular products. Now your job is to come to sheet 1 and see the following products, and based on that product you have to put the price at the E column and amount at the F column so that you can derive at the total sales at the end of the day. Now assume that you are in such situation, or you are having such scenario in front of you, and you want to get the result as quickly as possible. One step is to go manually and do it manually by seeing the price in another column and type it manually in the sheet 1 Excel worksheet. But it would be a very tedious work and very manual or time consuming work. So we'd use a formula called as VLOOKUP. I'll show you how can we use the VLOOKUP. Make sure to watch the video till the very end so that you never miss any learnings in this VLOOKUP function. Now, as I had mentioned in the previous video, whenever we use any formula, we have to put a is equal to symbol at the beginning, then type the formula. I use VLOOKUP, I enter tab, and now it's asking for a lookup value. As I had mentioned, lookup value is nothing but the value which you are looking up. I am looking at this product. I enter comma. Now it's asking for a table array. Table array is nothing but the values from where you want to get the data. Now the values are present in my sheet 2, so I go to sheet 2 and select it from the very beginning till the very end. I insert comma. Now it's asking for the column index number. Now the column index number means the value from the selected array is present in which column. Here I have selected these two columns from the beginning till the very end, and my price is present at the second column in the selected table array. So I enter 2. Again I press comma and I want an exact match, so I enter false, close the bracket and press enter. Now the result is derived. I am getting the price as 150. Now I want the values for the rest of my cells or rest of the rows, so I come over here and double click on it. But before double clicking on it, I'll make sure that the reference selected over there is an absolute reference and not fixed reference and not variable. That is, I come over here and press Alt F4 and you see a dollar symbol insert over there. I press enter and now I come over here and double click on it, and you see that I am getting the price based on my sheet 2 data. I put a numerical value over there, and now if I want a product over there, amount over there, simple, I have to come over here, put is equal to quantity into price, and I get the amount over here. If I want to do it for the rest of my cells, I simply select it and press Ctrl D, and I am getting the amount for particular customer wise data. If I want the total, I press Alt is equal to, and now I am getting the total over here. Now you can see that there is a total amount of 44,115 rupees amount of sales done by this particular supermart on today. Assume that this is today's values and you get the result over here. I am getting the result and my work is done. This was one such case scenario of using the VLOOKUP formula, and we can use the VLOOKUP formula for various such cases and get our result. You have to just subscribe and hit the bell icon at the bottom so that you never miss any learnings or updates in the MS Excel. I'll come up with new videos. Till then, keep smiling and have a good day.